Today I'll show you step by step how to set the date on a BMW X1 E84. First, turn the ignition on. Now use the buttons on the turn signal stalk, the one with up and down controls. Scroll up until you see the date display. Then press the BC button to enter the settings. Use the up and down buttons to select the day. Press BC to confirm. Next, select the month and press BC again. Then select the year and press BC. After confirming one more time with BC, the date is set. And that's it. For more BMW tips and quick fixes, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.